The Ruiandsion 2504 PSX24W halogen bulbs offer a reliable lighting solution for those in need of effective fog lights. With a voltage rating of 12 volts and a power output of 24 watts, these bulbs produce a bright xenon white light, enhancing visibility during adverse weather conditions. The bulb's design ensures an optimal illumination pattern that helps in piercing through fog, rain, and snow, making driving significantly safer in challenging conditions. One of the standout features of these bulbs is their impressive operating life of approximately 30,000 hours. This longevity means less frequent replacements, translating to cost savings over time and increased convenience for users. Additionally, the bulbs are straightforward to install, compatible with various vehicle models, and positioned in the front of the car, allowing for maximum efficiency. Manufactured by Guangzhou Ruiandsion Lighting Technology Company, Limited, Ruiandsion demonstrates its commitment to quality through adherence.